Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by securing backups and signing out unnecessary devices. You must verify a recent iCloud or local backup so you don't lose photos or app data. Once done, go to Settings and sign out any extra iPhone, iPad, or Mac that shares this Apple ID. This prevents sync conflicts. Make sure you have your Apple ID password and payment method nearby to manage subscriptions and storage plans without interruptions. Now you'll cancel the storage plan and reduce stored data. In Settings, tap your Apple ID, then iCloud, then Manage Storage to see what's using space. Next, go to Subscriptions and downgrade or cancel iCloud Plus. This stops future charges and schedules plan change at renewal. After that, delete bulky content, remove old device backups, large photo libraries, iCloud Drive files, and lengthy messages attachments. This lowers usage, so your account fits the free tier once the plan ends. Finish by confirming your iCloud storage is down to the free level and removing the account where needed. Once your plan change processes, sign out on devices you're removing, and if appropriate, erase the device to unlink iCloud entirely. Make sure to re-enable any desired local backups afterward. If storage doesn't drop, check for hidden device backups, shared albums, or family member usage consuming space. Resolve or remove those items. Then wait a short time for Apple servers to reflect the new totals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.